Welcome to another market update as I share with you some statistics from the month of July and a few thoughts on where the residential housing market as we head closer to spring. Hi, I'm Jon O'Connor from Bayleys. In Tauranga there was a small change in the median price of $880,000, 1.7% down from $895,000 last month. The number of sales in July were identical to those in June at 107. What was really interesting and good news for sellers is that the median number of days to sell dropped by a full week to 49 days, down from the 56 days it was taking just last month. The majority of viewers looking for property were located in Auckland, the Bay of Plenty, Waikato, over the ditch in New South Wales and Wellington. At the Mount in Papamoa, the median price dropped 11% from $1,110,000 in June to $987,500 in July, which is perhaps a reflection of fewer sales at the top end of the market over at the coast. The number of sales were up 10%, which is promising, with 70 houses sold. There was a jump in the median days to sell, however, from 58 days out to 62 days to sell, 4 days longer than the previous month. The top 5 locations of viewers searching for property were again from Auckland, the Bay of Plenty, Waikato, New South Wales and Wellington. So far in 2022, the average monthly sales of 184 is 46% below the monthly average sales over the past 15 years, which was 269 sales per month. Given that there has been strong population growth in our region and a significant increase in houses built over this time and therefore more available stock, it really does show how dramatic the drop in sales volume has been. With the government offering residency to over 100,000 immigrants and with record housing consents being issued, we believe this low number of sales is not sustainable and that demand will resume in the near term, and we should move back closer to the 15-year average for monthly sales. Signs of interest rates stabilising, lending criteria easing and inflation figures reducing are also very encouraging. At Bayleys we have proven experience in all market conditions, so if you're wanting to sell your home and move before Christmas, our advice would be to come to the market now. The advantage of this is that you'll have less competition for buyers, as many sellers will be waiting until the end of the year. Also, with it taking longer to sell, you should allow for 3 months for your campaign, from listing to selling to settlement, which takes us well into November, just in time for the summer break. Whatever your property goals, remember that planning is key. The sooner you get the process started, the closer you will be to achieving the result you desire. Speak to our friendly and experienced team to obtain the advice you need should you be preparing for your next move. We'd welcome the chance to help you.